Step into the shoes of a wildlife scientist and protector in this hands-on adventure designed for young minds. This experimental learning program is a dynamic and engaging journey into the lives of animals that need our help the most, endangered and diurnal species. Forget boring lectures. Here, kids become active participants through interactive experiments, creative building challenges, and detective games. They will don their explorer hats. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears live in the Arctic, while pandas are native to China. Bears have excellent memory, problem-solving skills, and have been observed using tools in the wild. Bears help control prey populations and disperse seeds. Sheep can recognize and remember up to 50 individual sheep and human faces for years. They use this ability to maintain complex social relationships within their flock. When sick, sheep will selectively eat specific plants that contain medicinal properties to treat their ailments. Platypuses are found only in eastern Australia and Tasmania, living in freshwater rivers and streams. The platypus is one of only 5 species of monotremes, egg-laying mammals. The others are echidnas. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs that can deliver a painful sting to predators or rivals. Wildebeests are herbivores, eating mostly grasses. Blue wildebeests can weigh up to 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Wildebeests are social animals, often found in huge herds. Wildebeests are famous for their great migration. Wildebeests are prey for lions, cheetahs, hyenas, and crocodiles. Dogs were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago and have been humans' companions ever since. Dogs have up to 300 million smell receptors, compared to about 6 million in humans. Dogs love treats, but some human foods like chocolate and grapes are toxic to them. Giraffes are the tallest land animals, with adult males reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes fight by swinging their necks and heads to show dominance, a behavior called necking. Giraffe has a unique pattern of spots, which helps with camouflage and identification. Donkeys are known for their intelligence and cautious nature. They will often pause and assess situations before acting, which sometimes is mistaken for stubbornness. Donkeys belong to the species Equus africanus asinus, a domesticated member of the horse family. Donkeys are famous for their bray, a loud, distinctive hee-haw sound used for communication. Kangaroos are marsupials, meaning their young are born very early and continue to develop in a special pouch. Kangaroos live freely in the wild, but they are also protected by law in Australia to ensure their survival. Kangaroos have excellent eyesight and hearing, helping them spot danger from far away. Frogs live a double life, the meaning of amphibian, starting as aquatic tadpoles with gills before transforming into air-breathing adults. Frogs use their bulging eyes to swallow food. They retract them to push meals down their throats. Frog populations are declining globally. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land, reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour. Cheetahs eat mostly small to medium-sized animals like gazelles, impalas, and hares. They hunt during the day, especially early morning or late afternoon. Snakes have no legs but can move quickly and quietly using their muscles and scales. Some snakes lay eggs, while others give birth to live young. Snakes flick their tongues to taste the air and pick up scent particles, which helps them find prey. Hippos are one of the largest land mammals. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds, 1,500 kilograms. Hippos are very territorial and can be aggressive toward humans and other animals. Usually, one calf is born, often underwater or very close to water. Goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Hamsters have expandable cheek pouches that extend all the way to their shoulders, used to store and transport food. Hamsters are the smallest, about 2 inches long, while Syrian hamsters are the largest, up to 7 inches. Hamsters can reproduce very quickly. Llamas have been used for centuries to carry loads, up to 25 to 30% of their body weight. For long distances, llamas are smart, easy to train, and form strong bonds with other llamas. Moose live in northern forests of North America, Europe and Asia, especially Canada, Alaska, Scandinavia, and Russia. Moose have long legs, a humped back, a long face, and a flap of skin under the throat called a dewlap. Zebras are about 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 400 to 850 pounds, 180 to 385 kilograms. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems, often led by a dominant male stallion. Female zebras are pregnant for about 12 to 13 months. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Elephants live around 60 to 70 years in the wild. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. Bulls eat grass, hay, grains, and silage, just like cows. They have a 4-chambered stomach to help digest tough plant matter. Polar bears have dense fur and a thick layer of fat, blubber, to keep warm in freezing temperatures. Polar bears mostly live alone, except mothers with cubs or during mating season. Polar bears primarily eat seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. They can swim for hours to catch prey or travel between ice floes, coastlines, and islands. Crocodiles keep ecosystems balanced by controlling populations of fish and other animals. Crocodiles have a nictitating membrane that protects their eyes underwater while allowing them to see. Crocodiles can grow from about 5 feet (1.5 meters) to over 23 feet (7 meters), depending on the species. Crocodiles have existed for over 200 million years, meaning they lived alongside dinosaurs. Crocodiles are reptiles, not amphibians, and they lay eggs on land. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot to form dung middens. Rhinos have excellent hearing and sense of smell, but poor eyesight. They often rely on scent and sound more than sight. Rhinos are heavily poached for their horns, driven by illegal trade, especially for use in traditional medicine, despite no proven benefits. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot to form dung middens. Rhinos have excellent hearing and sense of smell, but poor eyesight. And what we can all do to ensure their survival for generations to come. Each activity is a carefully crafted experiment that makes complex conservation concepts tangible and fun. In the Endangered Animal Rescue Lab, children might use maps and clues to navigate the threats facing a specific species, like habitat loss or pollution, and work together to devise a plan to save it.